How to recover your Apple account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can recover your Apple account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So it's actually really easy to recover your Apple account. If you're on your trusted device, you can simply start by directly signing in. To sign in, you can head over to your settings, tap on your icon on the top here, that is your Apple ID icon, and then start logging in. If that does not work for you and if you're not on your device, what you can do is you can head over to your web browser, search for account.apple.com. Now, for this, you will actually need to have your email or whatever you use for your backup or for your security. So tap on this drop down button from the top and then tap on sign in. Here you will get an option to sign in into your account. What you'll need to do is you'll simply need to type in your Apple account here and then go on with that. So right here you will see password option. All you have to do is tap on forgotten your password, go through your email here, type in your email that you trust or type in the email that is associated to your Apple account. So let me do that here and then tap on continue. After you tap on continue here, you will receive a verification code or a simple link which will allow you to reset your password. After you do that, you can reset your password and then you're good to go. And that's how you can recover your Apple account. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the easiest way you can recover your Apple account. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.